Okay, so for week 4 for the Master Beginner Makeup Series, today's video we're going to be talking all about eyebrows and like how to groom them and then how to apply some eyebrow products. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm just going to kind of just show you some of the tools that you would need to groom your brows. So the first thing I'm going to start with is a brush. So I'm just going to be using this spoolie brush. There we go. You need a spoolie brush. This is from Shanny. I don't remember the number because this is from the 32 brush set. So I don't really remember, but you're going to need a spoolie, a tweezers. I normally like to use something else that I'll show you in a second, but sometimes I do use the tweezers. This one is from Revlon. And then I'm going to use this Flawless Beauty brow trimmer thing. So once we get to it, I'll show you how to use it. But, okay, so let's start grooming at the brows. So the first thing that I like to do is I like to brush up the brows using my spoolie. I think I am going to actually zoom you guys in a little bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush up the hairs first. And then, so there's a cap on it, obviously. And I'm just going to take it off. This is what it looks like. And it gets really cool. And then when you turn it on, it has a light on it so you can see. I think that's really awesome. And then you can like take it off to clean the blades. So I'm going to start just kind of grooming any area, grooming the brows like here, in this area, and then in this area as well. So you do kind of want to pull your face eyebrow taut a little bit, but I can't really do that with one hand. So I'm just going to do it in the direction of the hair growth, just like when you're tweezing. I'm trying to get it here. The top of the brow seems to be fine, so I'm not going to touch that. I'm going to, let me see. There's just one hair that I need to get on the bottom. If this can't get one of the, kind of hard for me to get one of the hairs with this, I like to take my tweezers and actually pluck. Like there were two that were kind of tricky to get. Okay, now that my eyebrows are nice and groomed, I'm going to start doing the brows. But first I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and then I'm going to come back and we can do the brows. Duh, I actually forgot. I do my eyebrows before foundation. So I just put on some primer and now I'm going to go into some of the brows. Now I first like to start with a brow pencil and then I'm going to go into the brow pomade. So this is the NYX Full and Fluff brow pencil in the color Blonde. I first like to start by again brushing up the brows with the brush that it comes with. So I'm just going to brush them up. With the brow pencil, I only fill it. I only outline the brow, and with the pomade, I fill it in. So when you're choosing the eyebrow shade, you want to go 2 shades lighter than your brow hairs. So like for, if I'm going to use a brow powder, I'll show you. Like I'm going to just show you this. This is the Brow-mazing duo from J.cat Beauty, and I would want to go with this shade. It's a lot lighter, or no, actually maybe this shade. It's a lot lighter than my brows. So now I'm just going to use the pencil to to outline the brow. So I like more of like a classic brow, like the 50s style brow. So it's like, so I'm gonna round it, like this part. Then I can take my pomade and fill that in. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other brow now. Then I'm gonna take my Eyebrow brow pomade in the color Soft Brown. I'm gonna take my Morphe M158 brush and fill in the brows. But first I like to take some in here. I just take the cap and take off some of the excess pomade, and then I fill in the brow. That one's done. Do the same thing to the other brow. Okay, then one last time I like to take the fully side and brush the brows through. And then sometimes, not all the time, I'm starting to do it again. I'm going to actually, I used to use soap for like soap brows, but I feel that doesn't hold up the brows very well, so I actually use hairspray. This is the Aussie Instant Freeze hairspray. I just spray my spoolie, and then I just run this through the brows very lightly. And then sometimes I do like kind of push the brows up, and it sticks a lot better. Okay, so that was how to groom and apply eyebrow products for beginners. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!